Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can speed up your video in VN app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the VN app. So I'm going to open that. So as you can see, we have to click on this. Now simply we have to click on the plus icon, and after clicking on the plus, we have to hit the new project, and after clicking on the new project, we need to choose the video, that which video we want to use and which video you want to speed up. For example, I'm going to use this one. So let's click on this, and after that we need to hit the next button. So as you can see, I imported the video, and after importing the video you can see the speed button. So we have to click on the speed button. So let's click on this. So as you can see, after clicking on this, we need to go to the regular section. These are the curves options, so we don't want to use them. We have to go to the regular section, and after going to regular section, now you have to choose the speed, that what should be the speed of your video. For example, if you want to go to the 1.25x, and these, as you can see, all the speeds are provided here. For example, I'm going to the 2x, and after going to the 2x, I'm going to click on this. As you can see, before clicking on the right icon, as you can see, the video duration was 33 seconds, and now video duration is approximately 16 seconds. And as you can see, after reviewing this, simply you have to click on the right button, and after clicking on the right button, the speed mode will be applied on your video. So in this way you can speed up your video in VN. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can speed up your video in VN app. So see you guys in the next video.